Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through how I made this fruity eggless cake. It is super soft, no eggs, and very yummy. My name is Bensanami Esther Ozioma, and on this channel, I film baking tutorial, tips and hacks, lifestyle, cooking, and more. Kindly subscribe. So here are my ingredients: baking powder, flour, flavor, soaked mixed fruits, vegetable oil, milk, and sugar. Pour in your oil, add in your sugar, and mix. Mix until well combined. You can use any type of vegetable oil, coconut oil, sunflower, whichever one is available to you. Now add in your milk and mix until the sugar fully dissolves. Set the wet ingredients aside. Now in another bowl where your flour is, add in your baking powder and mix. My flour is already sieved, so ensure you also sieve your flour before using it. After mixing the flour, which is your dry ingredient, add it into the wet ingredients. Start mixing gently. At the beginning, you would observe that there is lump, but keep mixing it until there is no more lump and your batter looks very smooth. I'm making use of condensed milk flavor, but you can use any flavor of your choice. So I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of the flavor and gently mix it. Now it's time to add our mixed fruit. You can as well replace the mixed fruit with nuts and dates. Gently mix. Now grease a 7 inches pan and pour in your butter. Our cake is out of the oven. It's super delicious, soft, and really yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Kindly turn on the notification bell to get updates when I post new videos. I'll be posting new videos every week. If you have any question, please drop it in the comments section and I will attend to them.